That's your cousin Teddy. He's a waiter. He's single. And he likes rock music.
It's my brother, Eddie. He's an author. He got a wife and 2 kids and likes classical music. How about this one?
I don't know. A cousin?
No.
Your brother?
No!
An uncle?
It's my Aunt Julie.
Sorry, Mrs. Morris. She looks like your uncle.
Tell me something about her.
She's an architect.
Artist.
Married.
Advice.
2 kids. 3 kids. 5 kids?
No kids. Only 8 more. This is one.
I don't know.
It's my father.
I know who your father is. Why are you showing me photos of your father?
My family is coming in 1 hour. Now pay attention.
Why do you have such a large family?
It's not that large.
Not that large. You have 6 brothers and sisters, 14 aunts and uncles. Who knows how many cousins, nieces, and nephews? I'd say that's a large family.
They are not coming over.
No, just 18 of them.
I'm sorry, honey. I just want them to like you. Come now. It's okay. You don't fight.
Okay. I'm okay. Your cousin John?